So hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing great. And today's video I'm going to talk about how you can use the curve with array modifier. Okay, so that's very easy and cool trick, so I thought I should share with you, and that will be very helpful for you also if you will get to know how you can use the curve with the array modifier, because there are lots of benefit using the curve with the array modifier. So let's dive into the video and let's see how we can use it. So right now on my screen you can see we have a one plane where we have add a road texture. So what I'm going to do, first of all, I'm just going to add one curve. You can add, and you can use any kind of bezier, circle, path. You can also use the path. So I'm just going to use the path right now, and I'm just going to rotate this path something like that. And what we can do, we can just move it little bit here, and we can also delete the extra vertices right now. Yeah, that's look something like that. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to select my plane, and here I will just go to my modifier section, and here I will just add one array modifier. And right now here you can see it gonna copy same exactly the first one. But what we will do, we'll just change this factor value x to y. Now here you can see it's gonna in a right direction. And if I'm just going to increase the number of counts, so here you can see that road is going to become a longer. All right, but still right now I'm just gonna keep it by default. Yeah, that's look nice. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add another modifier. It's called basically curve, and here I will just select that curve object. It's called now path, and now here you can see it looks something like that. And before doing anything, we will also change this fit type fix count to fit curve, and here we again select that now path, and now here you can see that looks something like that, and which is look cool by the way. So now here is the magic. What is the magic? Basically you have to just select that curve and go to that mode of that curve, and if you will just extrude this curve, here you can see we can easily move this road in any direction according to our desire. And here you can see when I'm just gonna move this curve, that road going to creating automatically, and that's look fabulous by the way. All right, so right now here you can see we have only one problem. We have a very low poly road, and which is we can fix by the way. So what we can do, we have to just enable all these icons from the first of all the modify section. Then we have to just select our road, and here we have to just go to edit mode of this road, and I'll just add some loop cuts pressing the control R, and here I'm just going to add some loop cuts, and we'll just increase these loop cuts. And now here you can see where I'm just going to increasing the loop cuts. Now we have a better curve and smooth road here, and which is look nice by the way. All right, and one more thing I just want to show you, that power of the basically array tool. If you will do any kind of changes in the one object, for example, if I'm just gonna keep it here, yeah, that's so nice. And now if I'm just gonna select these vertices and these vertices with the help of this shift, and I'm just gonna extrude it. Now here you can see we have a perfect road here, and which is look super cool. Now here you can see we can perfectly move around this road. And now here you can see if I'm just gonna move this road, yeah, here you can see that's look nice. We can perfectly go with this road. Yeah, that's look nice by the way. All right guys, so that's how you can create a perfect road. Yeah, you can just use a array modifier, and that's very awesome by the way. You can see I'm just gonna moving like a game here, and that look cool by the way. Alright guys, so this is a very powerful tool of the curve with the help of the array modifier. That's very easy and cool trick, so I thought I should share with you guys, and that's very awesome by the way. So I hope you enjoy this video, and if you learn something from this video, please hit the like button, hit the share button, and subscribe my channel also. And if you have any queries or suggestion, please let me know in the comment box. I'll definitely reply comment. So bye bye, take care and stay home guys.